Imagine your smart fridge fixing itself before it breaks. Today's smart homes offer incredible convenience and control. But what happens when these advanced gadgets malfunction? Traditional repairs often mean costly technicians or replacements. However, the future promises revolutionary changes for everyone. AI and predictive maintenance will transform home repairs. We are moving towards smarter, more autonomous solutions. Get ready for a glimpse into your future home's repair toolkit. Modern smart appliances connect seamlessly to your home network. Devices like Nest thermostats learn your daily routines. Samsung Family Hub refrigerators manage groceries and schedules. Yet, even smart devices can develop unexpected, complex issues. Wi-Fi connection drops, software glitches, or sensor failures occur. These problems often require specific diagnostic knowledge to resolve. Current quick fixes usually involve restarts or simple troubleshooting. The future brings proactive problem identification to your home. Smart appliances will monitor their own performance constantly. Sensors will detect subtle anomalies before they escalate. For example, a washing machine might alert you to unusual vibrations. AI algorithms will analyze data, predicting potential component failures. This system could identify a failing pump motor months early. Your smart home app will then provide step-by-step repair guidance. Imagine an augmented reality overlay showing exactly what to do. It highlights the faulty part with visual instructions to follow. This empowers you to perform many minor repairs yourself safely. Advanced AI will offer personalized repair solutions for users. It learns from your previous interactions and technical skill level. Voice commands could guide you through complex assembly steps. Think of Amazon Alexa or Google Assistant for repair tasks. Small robotic assistants might even help with intricate tasks. They could retrieve specific tools or hold wires securely. These robots would extend your capabilities, making repairs easier. This reduces the need for expensive professional service calls. It also promotes sustainability by extending appliance lifespans. The concept of one-minute fixes will truly evolve. Many issues will be resolved autonomously by the device itself. Over-the-air updates will patch software glitches instantly. Hardware fixes become guided, simplified, and very accessible. This future empowers homeowners with unprecedented control. Predictive AI and guided repair will redefine home maintenance. Your appliances will become smarter, more resilient, and self-sufficient. Embrace this evolution, preparing for a truly intelligent living space. The future of home repair is undeniably in your hands. Stay informed to master these upcoming technological advancements. Subscribe for more in-depth explorations of future quick fixes.